Would you like to share your contacts with other iPhone users quickly and easily? In this video, I'll show you how to enable contact sharing, and at the end, I will share a helpful tip that will make the process easier. So as a first step, you need to make sure that your phone is updated to iOS 17 or later version. And then go in its settings. Here pick General section, and after that go in AirDrop settings. So right now you need to make sure to enable printing device together feature for contact sharing. And also here you can choose to use it only for contacts or everyone for 10 minutes, but do not pick this receiving off option because you will disable AirDrop with contact sharing. Now the next thing we need to check is our contact card. So go in your phone app, find your card here, go in contact photo and poster and make sure to set it up. So make sure to enter correct name that you want for other devices to see. Also you can click on edit and here you can set poster as well as contact photo. And for sharing automatically, you can choose either always ask or contacts only. And that's it. Now all is left is to print iPhones together. So I'm just gonna take my other device, enable AirDrop as well, bring them together. And now we got this cool animation, and we can share our contact information with another device or choose to receive from that device. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.